you feel like you want to die. You know that kind of a thing, you just want to die. And so sometimes it takes a painful experience for us to change our ways. Like painful experience, like everybody have experienced that in life. I've gone through some kind of things that makes me to I learn from my mistake. Let me use that word, learn from your mistake. Or painful experience, something you never expected to happen, or something you never wished to happen. You know that kind of a thing. There's some things that you don't wish for them to happen to you, because if they happen to you, you feel like you want to die. You know that kind of a thing, you just want to die. And it's just learning. It's just learning. Just imagine you learn in the hard way. You know that kind of a children with they don't want to learn. When you give them a slap, when you give them a slap, they will learn from it. So that even though adults sometimes we still collect slap. We still collect slap. You know that kind of a thing. We collect slap for us to learn. That is the painful experience. Understand? Something you never expected to happen. Maybe you are finding yourself in a difficult situation, a difficult state. Okay, let me just use relationship for example. Sometimes there are some relationships that will not lead anywhere. They will not, and you don't want to learn. My sister, you don't want to learn. Just imagine why you not learning? Why? So that maybe you don't wish for something bad or something so hot. Yeah, sometimes you need it. You need to get hot for you to get sense. You need to get hot for you to get sense. If someone is advising you, know, please, I don't want those advice. I don't want. Okay, let me just tell you a story. There was a time they were doing MMA, understand? So everybody actually venturing into it. Everybody's investing money. Everybody's putting their money on it. You know, that kind of a thing. Some people even borrowed. Understand? That is investments. Anyway, that is investments, and it was really paying then. So some of us really want to try, and we should know that it's not good. It's not good. You get scammed and your money will go. You say, no, I saved my full salary, just 1 year good salary, 1 year. I was not petty job. The where I was working was so far from my house. Sometimes I need to trek to one spot, then take a cab to the place that I'm working. And I saved that money. I was not really spending it at all. I was having some little changes, allowances from friends and well wishers. So I was saving that money somewhere. That okay, this is what I want to use the money to do the next year. And then I pushed the whole money, my 1 year salary, push it, invest it in a business. When they were telling me, you don't need to do this, you're gonna cry. But everyone around me was really cashing out. You know, that kind of a thing. When people are cashing out, you say, okay, let me just try it. You know, that kind of, let me just try it. Everything gone. Like when I just tried it, I felt about get the first money back, and I wanted more. Understand? I wanted more. It's not bad to want something more, and I did not pray about it safe. I just do my things blindly, push the money in, and later on, everything is gone. Oh, Barry, you don't finish. Nobody advised me. You know, that kind of a thing. It takes the grace of God for me to survive that. I know so many people die for heart attack. You know, that kind of a thing, that kind of painful experience. Self is about their marriage or about their relationship. Someone is advising you, don't marry this person. You know, sometimes it's hard for me. Someone is advising you, don't marry someone you love. You know, it's hard. Yeah, you don't tell me that. I don't want to even hear that. Me, I'm so stubborn when it comes to that. I don't want to hear that. I love somebody, you're telling me not to marry the person. For what? Why will you tell me that? But sometimes what they're saying in that person may be right, they may be wrong. So what it takes for you is just for you to experience, just investigate. You know, that kind of investigate. Don't allow anybody to advise you to change your mind. To know what is inside first. Try to find out. Okay, first of all, let me just use this for example. There was a guy that's supposed to marry. He's the military person. So they were telling me, you don't need to marry this person. This person is bad. You know, that kind of a thing. I said, no, this person is cool to me. It's cool to me. And of the truth, it was really, really cool to me. But we're just dating. After 6 months, we're not getting married. But I noticed, okay, when the advice started coming on the way, I just, okay, let me just chill. let me just pause, let me still take my time to observe this person. So I tried to offend him because what most people were telling me about was anger, that this person is so when he's angry and his anger is so bad. I'll say, okay, I want to try. I still want to try because I want to see reason, not that you just come and tell me, or you just, it may be that you have me in mind, you know, that kind of a thing. Maybe that this person have you in mind and just come and advise you, leave something you are doing, and you just leave the thing, and later you'll be regretting. So try and find out what is actually wrong, because there is nothing they can hide under the sun. No matter what, anybody must show you their character, no matter what. So take your time, try to see reasons, try to offend the person. If they talk about anger, I try to offend that person. I know many times the first time I offend him, he was the one that apologized. It's so bad. I offend you, you are the one apologizing to me. You know, that kind of a thing. That means strike one. You are pretending. Understand? So I take my time again. No many people, they have gun, they have jackknife, they have weapons at home. So when they are actually talked me into being scared of the person. So I was so scared. Sometimes when I offend the person, I make sure I was not offending at night too, so that they would just press me, kill me. They'll go to cut and I say, you die like that. A military person, nobody will even go to court with himself. I noticed that yes, what they were saying about this person was really right, and thank God I did not venture into it before realizing it could have been a painful experience. Yes, it could have been a painful experience for me, all of which I never wish to experience in my life. You know, that kind of a thing, that painful experience. You feel down, you feel I don't want to do this anymore. You know, that kind of a thing. It's just like you want to rewind your life backward, but you can't do it. So sometimes just live your life. If you have experienced it, you learn from your mistake, because what have happened to you can never happen to you again. Understand? So you learn from your mistake and buckle up your life. What I would say advise you to do every time is pray about everything. If I pray about your makeup, like today I pray about my makeup. I want my makeup to come out right, so I pray about it, and actually it's a bit nice. I don't know, it's a bit nice. Just my lashes is so long and my hair color is done, but I'm looking beautiful. To me, I'm looking beautiful. So you pray about everything. God, the Holy Spirit is there to help you out. That is why you are a of a president. Just imagine, you have people around you, you have security around you, you have many spirits around you to tell you what to do, to tell you how to do it. So you don't need to be afraid, okay? If you have made a mistake, you learn from your mistake, start again, start the race from where you stop. Understand? Don't just quit, don't just kill yourself. Please don't kill yourself. Oh. If you kill yourself now, you shot. Don't just kill yourself. Start from where you stop. Start running. Run. In fact, run faster than the way you were before, because sometimes some people, they just stuck you in one place. There are so many things that you want to do, but they just stuck you in one place. Do what you love. My dear, do what you love, okay? So thank you very much for watching. Bye. Love you so much.